It spills out everywhere.
Got time for a snack. Haven't caught anything yet. My son did get a catfish. Got some sour gum worms. There's a dog over there that's freaking out. Every time I look over there or anything, it freaks out. So that's gonna be super fun. Wow. Looks like those people are like living here though. They got a big camper, tons of firewood. I think they've moved in. Stay tuned. This is the way camp is set up. Got the boat over here, loaded up, ready to go. Got the truck camper set up here. Have a 4-inch foam, 30-inch wide by 5.5. Little sleeping bag. Got a couple of catfish poles, so we'll be getting it after it in a little bit. And maybe just see how things go. Well guys, been a few weeks. We're out here at Southeast Kansas, beautiful spot. Got the truck camper out, got the boat out. I'll be showing you guys that a little later on. Just hanging out, just had some chipboard RD, and now eating some movie theater butter popcorn. It is flipping delicious. I don't care who you are. Movie theater popcorn is about the best. Had some sad stuff happen this last week. My mom got real sick, and so I'm out here trying to not think about what's going on and kind of clear my head a little bit. We're gonna be cooking on our old Coleman with our little piezo ignition dude that we've been using. We'll use that in a little bit later on to get some dinner going. In the morning we're gonna have a pretty cool surprise, so you gotta stick around for that. I'm gonna sit here, chill, and enjoy the beautiful weather. Stay tuned. It is a beautiful day. The wakes are a little high, the wind is pretty high. I got my little canopy tied down. Hopefully it doesn't try to lift off of here. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. Got a couple of catfish poles out right now. We've caught one small catfish. We're gonna get the boat out. We're gonna get the boat out just a little bit and we'll have it out. But it is choppy right now.
It spills out everywhere.
As you guys can see, wonderful surprise. That mud motor is coming soon. Stay tuned.